Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you guys are doing great. Okay, welcome to BiqasASMR because ASMR. So, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. Like having fun, spending time with family, all this kind of stuff. I hope you're doing great. Okay, isn't it? Is okay. So today's video is going to be mouth sounds. Yeah, mouth sounds. Intense mouth sounds. Intense mouth sounds. Intense mouth sounds. Now this is perfect. Actually, I was having a problem with my lighting setup. That's why. But now it's perfect. Like I have perfect light. Perfect. Oops. Perfect. Okay. Today I'm very happy actually. You know, in my previous videos that I have told you that I have been going through a lot of things, a lot of problems. But I know you guys prayed for me. That's why I'm today very happy and today. Thank you so much. I need your support and keep supporting, okay? Okay, so I'm going to make you very tingly, like you will feel very tingly, okay? feel like intense popping sound. Okay. If you want more videos like this, or any video which you want me to make, then do let me know in comment section. I'll definitely make the video which you want. Okay, so it was today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Actually, I had to say I'll meet you in the next video. So one thing, that's the most important thing, that's smiling. Yeah, always keep smiling, because like